often feels like continuous deployment has become this bragging right for a technology organization. We can deploy 13,000 times a day. A developer can deploy the product on their first day at work. Even our pets can deploy. Even more often, I encounter organizations that don't really understand the intent behind being able to deploy continuously, so they don't invest much in it. I mean, few organizations need continuous deployment capabilities from a time to market perspective. Do we really need to deploy features each and every day? So why is it so crucial? Let's go back to the intent. The intent is that integrating and deploying every small change dramatically reduces the length of the feedback loop. We talk about empowered product teams, empowered to deliver outcomes. But in an environment of uncertainty, we don't know for sure whether a certain product development will indeed deliver the expected outcome. So we need to try, inspect, and adapt. And this is where the feedback loop is crucial. Without continuous deployment, it might take us weeks to inspect and adapt. We will work from assumptions, requiring us to plan and specify more. And we might follow decisions and build more and more on those decisions without knowing whether they're the right approach. Product operating models are cool, but without the ability to close feedback loops to make a decision, engage its outcome, whether we've created an experience that drives the behavior we have and the impact we had in mind, it's a theater. On the other end, if you can continuously deploy from a technical perspective, but not using it to close feedback loops, just to build what you're asked to build, acting as an order taker, that's also a theater. And what if you're designing non-software things? Razors, molecules, laundry care formula, craft beer. Again, back to the intent. The intent is still the same. You want to close fast feedback loops or to close feedback loops fast. You want genuine feedback on your latest decision as quickly as possible. Did we nail it from the perspective of, the feeling we wanted this benefit bar on the razor to create? Does this new smell for the laundry care formula attract people? Does this new extra cleaning approach work? Is this new cool drink something that people enjoy? And the approach of frequently deploying is along the same intent. You 3D print the latest increment of the benefit bar. You formulate the trial run. You get those things in front of your customers, not to make money, not to sell, but to learn. You might sell it. You might just try it in the lab with real customers. The purpose is to learn and adapt if needed, like it is for continuous deployment. Here's the thing, like any other practice, it's all about the intent and the context. Why is it worthwhile doing this? What does this mean in this specific context? This is especially useful when you're taking a practice and trying to apply it outside of its usual context. Like, what does continuous deployment mean when we're trying to develop our company as a product, for example? What does it mean? Let me know what's your biggest challenge with continuous deployment and how to use it in your context, and what does the intent mean for you. See you in the comments.